Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change background on Google Meet using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So now, just need to click on the three little dots at the lower part of your screen, right here, the more options. So now just go ahead and click on the apply visual effects, and you can see the background section. So just go ahead and choose any background that you want. So you can choose any image background or live photo background. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose this one. I just need to wait. So as you can see that the background here on my Meet is changed. What you can also do is to upload a background image. So to do that, you need to make sure that the background photo is downloaded on your device. Okay, so once you've downloaded that image on your device, just go ahead and click this upload a background image option. This is the first option on the background section. Okay, go ahead and click on that. So now just go ahead and choose the image that you've downloaded earlier and click OK. So now as you can see, this is the image that I've downloaded earlier, and it is set as my background here on Google Meet. So that's it. That is how you change your background on Google Meet. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.